Hello everyone. My name is Alexander Lomov. Today I was today we decided that I will provide you with information about standard library and core library of Ruby, and I will um, first of all, few words about myself. I graduated BSUIR, and it was 8 years ago, something like this. And I came back to pay debt. So, so I will talk with you with slight Russian accent because it's probably more funny and you'll understand me better, I guess. Probably. So Valik gave me a plan that I need to cover, and and there are several utilities and several things that you can find in documentation. And first of all, to know more about Ruby standard library and Ruby core library, you can use documentation. And I guess this lecture, this material will be very useful for you because all these abstracts can be all these abstracts are common in all languages, so you can find some similarities with Java code and C#. So from very beginning you need to understand that all variables in all things in Ruby are objects, and this means that if you create some value from primitive type, it still will be an object, and you'll be able to see its class. And you can find the class of class and class of class. And the thing is that superclass of all classes is object. And okay, so you have basic object, and all objects are inherited from it without even if you don't want it. So and this gives you access to all methods that are in Ruby. So the best diagram that I found in the internet about this case looks like this, and that's quite funny interpretation, but you can see the idea that you have basic object and you have object itself and all other class whatever have in subclass. You can go to the basic object and methods does it have. So for instance, you have object ID, and object ID on the place of the it is not the you can use it as so for you'll create a variable and it will and it always has the same allocation in memory. But if you create object ID each line and string, you have new object ID. So but that's kind of